Hello viewers, welcome to part 1 of the 25-part series of the video where I teach absolute beginners in website development all they need to know about HTML. So in this course, I design it in such a way that I do not use much technicality or much technical jargons. I try to explain everything for beginners to understand. So it is designed mostly for beginners, people who are interested, or people who want to learn more about website development. So what I'm going to be doing this video, I'm going to be explaining what we are going to learn in this series, what we are going to learn in this course. So the first thing we're going to learn is we're going to learn about meaning of HTML. Then we're going to learn about HTML code editors. What are the code editors you can use to create HTML? We're also going to learn about creating HTML file and also the structure of HTML. We will learn HTML syntax. We will learn HTML comments and break tags. We'll learn HTML meta tags, HTML semantic tags. We will also learn HTML attributes, HTML headings. We'll learn HTML paragraphs. We'll also learn HTML lists. We'll learn HTML image, HTML video, HTML audio. We'll also learn HTML Canva. We'll learn HTML embed and iframe. We'll learn HTML form. Then also we will learn HTML inputs. We'll also learn HTML buttons. We'll also learn HTML tables. We'll learn HTML inline style, how to style your elements using style sheets. Then we'll also learn HTML JavaScript, which will also serve as introduction to JavaScript. And finally, I'm going to summarize everything for you to understand. And then in the next video, what we're going to learn is, in the next video, we're going to learn the meaning of HTML. So I believe you can, if you know already some part of this video, you can use the timestamp to skip it, or you can check my playlist and then go to the particular video you want to learn more about. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so that you don't miss future videos just like this. So I'm going to be explaining all you need to know about HTML. So make sure you subscribe and also like this video as it helps me to grow on YouTube. Thank you very much.